How to find Telegram download file. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can find Telegram download files, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, finding downloaded files on Telegram is very simple. Let's say you happen to download something. One way that you can find it is by tapping the search bar from the top right, and let's say you just search for something, but the next time when you tap on that search bar you'll find a couple of options and you'll find a download button there. But if you don't find it there will also be another folder, so you can open up the My Files application here. Then once you open up the My Files application, which is File Manager, go to internal storage, then just go to the option called download. Then you will see a folder called Telegram. Under Telegram you will see any files that you have downloaded inside of Telegram. This way you can find Telegram download file. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.